Hello viewers, today we are going to start a new topic, the land of dense forest, Congo. Before starting this chapter, we need to discuss about the equatorial forest regions of the world. So at first, we need to know which region is called the equatorial region. We all know that the equator passes through the middle portion of the globe, right? So, the 0 degree to 5 degree north and south, this region is called the equatorial region, and this region gets vertical sun ray throughout the year and heavy rainfall occurs in this region. So you can see here, this is our world map, and in this map the equatorial forest regions of the world marked by green color, right? This region includes the basin of river Amazon in South America, the basin of river Zaire and the Congo basin in Africa, and the New Guinea coast, West Indies, Andaman, southern Myanmar, Malaysia, Indonesia, etc., right? The hot and humid climate of these regions leads to evergreen and dense forest. Why? Because we all know that this region gets vertical sun ray throughout the year and heavy rainfall occurs, right? So our today's topic, Democratic Republic of the Congo, right? Congo is a country. It is Africa's third largest country, and you can see here 0 degree, the equator passes through this country. The Congo River, also known as River Zaire, the second largest river in Africa, right? Let's see the climate. Equatorial type of climate is found in this region. The climate is characterized by a high temperature of 27 degrees Celsius throughout the year and heavy annual rainfall more than 200 centimeters. Hence, there is high humidity all through the year and there are no clearly marked seasons. Means no season changes are there. There is a daily occurrence of convectional rainfall. It is a type of rainfall. This type of rainfall is the result of intense heating of the land surface. During the day, there is a lot of evaporation. By afternoon, when it starts cooling, the water vapor condenses and falls as rain. Since it pours around 4 o'clock every day. That's why it is known as 4 o'clock rainfall, right? Natural vegetation. As the climate of this region is hot and humid, plants grow very fast in great variety. About half of the country is covered with thick equatorial forest. What are the characteristics of this forest? They do not shed their leaves and the trees are remains green throughout the year. That's why known, they are known as evergreen trees. Trees are so huge and full of big leaves. For example, you can write mahogany, rosewood, rubber, bamboos, etc. Animal life. A large variety of animal life is also found in this forest. Different types of reptiles like crocodiles, snakes are found in the floor of the forest. Where the forest is not so dense and the grassland begin, there are plenty of big animals like tigers, leopards, buffaloes, This region, Congo is called the natural zoo of the world because a large variety of wildlife. Okay, so here I close the chapter for today. Rest of the part we'll discuss in our next class.